It's another sunny weekend, a little bit cooler. Let's have a check at some plants we haven't had a look at in a while. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Saturday to you all. Saturday 18th of July 2026, and it's day 153 of the Chilli grow up. Look at that ghost pepper you just saw. It's getting bigger and bigger every day. The cayennes, they're just overloading down here. Look, you see them all bunched up. Just wonderful. So yeah, what we're going to do today, everything's looking alright. I think we're going to do some water and fertilizer tomorrow. There's just enough moisture today, I think, in the soil to where they'll be okay. And it's not too crazy hot. I think it's 22 degrees at the moment. It is going to go up a little bit, but not the heat that we've been recently having. But yeah, it seems fine, seems good. So we'll check a few plants out we haven't had a look at for a while. And that's pretty much in the last 4 or 5 days we've gone through all of the plants anyway, so I think everything's up to date and looking good. So what I thought would include as well, any plants that have had new chilies, new flowers, exponential growth, we'll have a quick check of them as well. I think we got a few of those we can have a closer look at, but other than that, I hope you're doing well. Me and Lucy are enjoying the day, aren't we? A little hair trim, as have I, and yeah, just thought we'll get the weekend started and enjoy these beautiful plants. But I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I hope everything's going well for you and life is good, and all my best wishes to you. Good luck and good fortune and all that jazz. So let's do this, everybody. Thank you all again for joining. Let's start day 153. Good morning, madam. Happy Saturday to you. A Friday. Can I get a pull? Pull. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Checking on this Buena Mulata. As you can see, so many flowers. It really is a pretty plant. Especially when you got yourself some purple cayennes starting to change. Get out of the way, Lee. There we go. So got one there. A lovely big one in the back. And this one. Hopefully this straightens up today. I think they're going to be curly peppers. But looking great on the Buena Mulata. So of course we have this ghost pepper here, which if you look at the videos from when they first started showing, I'll just put a link to it up there in the corner, they've gotten so much bigger over the last few days. And that other one there in the back, huge, huge. So I want to show you this other ghost pepper as well. Lots and lots of flowers, doing really good. And then look at these. Look at those, marvellous. And then I've got another one budding up there. So as predicted, these two ghost peppers, well, ghost peppers in general, just give out such a high yield. Inedible to me. Might be able to try some hot sauce, but yeah, for those people that enjoy the insane spice levels, ghost peppers, they're for you. Here's our sweet banana. Lots of new flowers. We got that one from before. And it looks like we got some new ones forming. Let's get that leaf out of the way. Yeah, there he is. Looking great. And the sweet banana. Checking on a couple of the purple plants. Dream catchers. No pods yet, but lots of new flowers. And this one's just shot up in size recently. Okay, need a bit more time. And here's the Zimbabwe black. It has just flourished in the last few days. Got really, really big. Can't wait to try these peppers on the Zimbabwe black. Here's a Scotch Bonnet MOA. Probably the tallest one we've got so far. And as you can see, lots of new flowers. And it looks like some of them are starting to change over into peppers. And the Scotch Bonnet MOA. Here's another cayenne. No pods just yet, but enough flowers, plenty of flowers, and they're going to start turning really, really soon. Exciting times. That's going to produce a lot with its copper coil. Here are the cayennes. I don't know what's happened over the last couple of days. This Armageddon has just branched out, and I mean branched. Look at all this coming up. Sides here, and you see we got flowers There they are, look. Seems like they're going to be little pockets of peppers. So much going on. It is just a huge, huge plant. Not for me though, for all you guys, the Armageddons. I want to have a little look at this Kashmiri Mirch with a copper coil. It's down there, look. But look at this. It is just absolutely wild. Look how much is coming off it. And we got flowers, beautiful flowers. Look at them, like a nice purple edge on them. There's another one there. We got more in the back there. But yeah, it's just exploded. Massive. It's nearly reached the tip of the cane there. That's nuts. Beautiful. Cannot wait to try the Kashmiri Mirch. Look at this Scotch Bonnet MOA. Starting to really branch out. Lots of new flowers and buds. There's one even open here. Look. So much going on. Very, very bushy. Loads going on there. Looking good. Scotch Bonnet MOA. So here's the black jalapeno. Now, do you remember? I didn't think either of the plants were going to survive, but look at this one now. Huge, huge. Loads going on. Do you see all the lovely little flowers there? Beautiful bright purple leaves. But check this out. Look at that. That looks like a pepper to me. Looking good though. So many new flowers. Oh, and here's the sun. Even better. On the black jalapeno. And here is that Armageddon with a copper coil. But just look at the size of this plant. It is just going crazy. The stem, it's like a tree trunk. It's thicker than the support cane. That's a support cane here, look. And that's the actual stem. No flowers yet, look. Just a few little buds starting to show. But just huge on the Armageddon. Check out the Padrón with the copper coil. Just huge, and we've got flowers this time. And they are beautiful, beautiful. And I think that might be a changing pepper there. I'm pretty sure it is. Very nice. Just a massive plant. Look at it on the Padrón. Here's a Tabasco. Lots going on, look. And if you look closely, a few flowers, a few buds starting to show, just off each leaf. So, should be getting some soon on the Tabasco. So there we go. Just a quick check-in, short and sweet, like this one. But yeah, I think they're doing well. Lots of new peppers showing. Black jalapenos and more on the Buena Mulata, more on the ghost peppers, and of course so many more on these cayennes. They are just everywhere, everywhere. The more I look, the more I'm seeing more flowers, and it looks like they're all successfully changing over. Thanks to Mr. Busy Bee and all the other insects. Look at that one there, marvellous. And of course, the ghost peppers there. And that one's just getting massive. Looks like there's a third one coming on that plant as well. So yeah, let's back up a little here. We need the space. They're looking pretty great, I think. I'm literally seeing no issues. By tomorrow, they're going to be thirsty. So water and fertilizer every plant, and get them a real good feed and a real good drink, and get them ready for the week. But yeah, that wraps up the day, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us. If you're enjoying this journey, please don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll keep you posted on our daily vlogs from seed to harvest and beyond. Thank you all so much for joining us today. It means the world to Lucy and I. All the messages, the comments, sharing, it means the world to us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So please, take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday and a great weekend coming. and we'll see you tomorrow. See you Sunday for day 154. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.